Hi my dear lovable students, I am very excited to announce that Shilpis Academy is commencing its December 2025 CS Executive face-to-face batches. Myself Santosh, and I am going to be your trainer for CAFM paper, and I am into this teaching profession for the past 8 years, and I have trained almost 16 batches of students, and I work for corporates and I do teaching as my passion. And what can you expect from the course? Here we provide a proper study material, face-to-face class, recorded batch and test series. So what is that study material? Study material in the sense, it is not going to be a normal book like thing. Yeah, you would definitely get a compiled study material, but apart from that study material, you would also get a question bank. A question bank comprising of what? A question bank comprising of almost all the past question papers and questions taken from other professional courses from the same chapter, and questions taken from revision test papers, questions taken from mock test papers, and all the possible questions will be compiled in the question bank. Then each and every week you would be asked to write a test. This test is to evaluate and make you understand where do you stand. We trainers would evaluate the answer sheets and we would discuss you in person about where you stand and where you will have to correct and where you will have to concentrate more. Then in case if you miss some classes, you need not worry. Why? Because you would get a recorded backup of all the classes which is being conducted here. Apart from these things, you would also get a fast track revision video of the entire syllabus, so that it would be easy for you to revise the subject in the end. So to get all these, join us at Shilpis Academy. Hoping to meet you soon at Shilpis Academy for the December 2025 batch. Thank you.